everyone, my name is TIARA from grade 7 Jeff. I'm running for Vice President in our Student Council at Charis Global School. I'm excited to bring fresh, positive energy to our school. Next, I'll be explaining my vision, mission, and work program. My vision is to make sure our school is a fun, creative, and caring school for all the students. And as for my mission, is to help the Student Council President and make sure every school event is run smoothly, and to make sure every student's voice is respected and heard, and to build a connection between the students, teachers, and the council. As for my work program, I have 3 in mind, which are Charis Global or quiz competition, Clean Friday, and social and community service. My first program, which is the Charis Global or quiz competition. It's a class versus class quiz competition with subjects like IPA, IPS, Bahasa Indonesia, and more. This helps us study while having fun. My second program, which is Clean Friday. Every month, we'll clean our school together, building teamwork and responsibility, while keeping our environment clean. My third program, Social and Community Service. This includes donation drives and visits to people in need. This helps us grow our care and kindness. As Michael Jordan said, talent wins games, but intelligence and teamwork wins championships. That's why I believe in collaboration, not just working alone. Choose me because I'm committed in doing my best for the school's success.